praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no right, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, or whatever time you're watching. Just doing some maintenance on the drift car as we drive it every day. At the moment it is pulling to the left like I don't even know what. You let go and you're in the left. So we just thought I had a busted ball joint after a friend of mine had a bit too many suns and drove it up into a drain.
What happened, Mr. Drifter?
Destroyed a wheel. But surprisingly the ball joint's still okay. Got a little bit of plate on the forward end, so I'm going to replace that. Let's get it for the wheel on it. I just rechecked all the bolts up here. Fixed my exhaust leak because it stinks. And I got a bit of power sweat. I remember to have put the breather hose on. It's on the to-do list. Yes. I better do this so we can get to the wheel on ASAP. We got fill and refuel. Sorry, I'm a dad. I'll make dad jokes. Oh, you cocked the thing.
Calm down.
Oh, I got my new hammer.
I wore it in yesterday.
Did ya?
Yeah.
You did too. You damaged my hammer. Ah, new hammer and he freaking...
How dare you?
And he uses to hit stuff with.
Hit it like a man. He's hitting it like a dad.
Tool belts. Here we are guys, just changing parts because parts is what we change. And before we change parts, we just wreck parts. Oh, those body systems are just not working. Where's that part?
Hey, on the hoist. Oh, who's that? Hiding.
Is the right one?
No. It's the right hand side one.
Yesterday I threw everything into the bin and it was fine. It just made it into the bin. Today I can't even put it in the bin, stand next to the bin. Very good. Just weld it on like that. Look at that. And then you have to take the wheel off. Highly recommended to use a swivel on your rattle gun. If you have the high impact swivel, buddy. Very good. Clean some oil up, using some brake cleaner. It's actually funny because my beater has no oiling on the thing at all. But it burns so much oil that it compensates for any leak you could possibly have on your engine. Which is ridiculous. Like if I'm drifting it arching in the beater, I need to top up engine oil for an afternoon session. Looks like I'm doing a mad base on the tyres, where I've mounted the exhaust, but no. Oil burning. I don't recommend these things. There's more on my hand than on the gearbox.
How does it feel, David, being the person responsible for the increasing price of a 20-year-old car?
I am an AU entrepreneur.
Clearly.
I definitely did not want to do AUs. Like, my wife still laughs at me for doing AUs, but I wanted to do something affordable, cheap, affordable, but like value. So you get decent power, you get it auto. You don't have to get a manual one. Auto does just fine because of the power level. The autos hold the first gear. It's 5-star, so you can put your Nissan wheels on. It's like, what more do you want? So that's kind of how to go. I was like, that's a simple option, cheap to buy, cheap for parts everywhere. Let's crash them into each other. Here we are. Alright, now that we've sorted the rack end on the Drifta, we're going to take it for a wheel alignment after the incident with the curb. It was not that badly out, but enough to be killing tyres. Particularly in the last few days, I've noticed it's been pulling more and more to the left real bad. So having a look at the tyres, they're really wearing way too quickly. So we'll go and get it sorted. Well, welcome to the end of this video this week. None of this will be posted just yet because we've got to fix some things, but I hope you guys make sure your mates don't drink while they're driving, because you'll have to do what we have to do and get the car fixed and take it to wheel on. So hopefully she's driving nice and straight. Next time you see the car, we'll be dropping it at Archie, doing some drifties there, so hang on for that. Give us a comment, give us a like, let us know what you want to see more of. We'll catch you next week. We won't see you next week. We'll see you on Thursday. But we'll also see you next week. See you.